Welcome to my Welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna cut this. The recipe of today, it's calamari ripieni. Let's get started with the ingredient. Here we have 2 fresh calamari, tomato sauce, garlic, chili, 1 egg, parsley, bread. That's all we need. For the sauce, it's just the tomato, a little bit of chili and garlic. We're gonna add fresh parsley at the end. And for the fill, we're gonna use bread, 1 egg to stick things together, garlic, chili if you want it, and a little bit of parsley together with the tentacles that we're gonna boil, chop, and stick it in. Meanwhile, we start with the sauce. Oil, garlic, chili. Be careful with this, straight in. Now you add a little bit of water in here, you get all the extra sauce. Salt and pepper. Very low heat. We cover and we forget. Before the water starts boiling, we chuck in a little bit of parsley, give a little bit of extra flavor to the tentacles. Tentacles in. Let it boil. We're ready to start with the filling. We're gonna start by chopping the meat, and because it's quite a good quantity, first we start with this mixed with chili, garlic, parsley, and 1 egg, and then we add the bread. The reason why we start with this is because we prefer to have more fish and less bread, and the bread is gonna it's not gonna get wasted. Ah! Let's get fucking blind! Put everything together. We're gonna add 1 egg. And we mix everything. Don't you even think about putting cheese. Last step, we add the breadcrumb and we mix all together. And if you feel it's too dry, you can simply add a extra egg. Just want to say, if you made it this far during the video, hope you liked it. Hope you consider to If you made... No, non cancellare, per favore. If you made it this far to the video, if you find this recipe interesting by far, please consider subscribe to my channel, or you can yourself. It's time to stuff the calamari up. Just grab one of this, take a spoon. Oh shit, this is gonna be good. I'll leave this here for now. Take the second one. Now we're gonna use this sort of skewers to close them up. Take your time. Don't stop yourself. There we have it. Same process for the second one, and then straight on a fry pan with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil for a few minutes. Once they're done frying, put them in the sauce, leave them for about 20 minutes.